A Sean Stam, the Zambia represent for Jamaica versus game. You don't know him give the baddest reaction. You know disclaimer. He don't know what that. About to miss a cap a lot. You don't know that.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica is giving you another reaction. Boom. Today we are with Devin the Dakta again, man. Yeah, man. Devin the Dakta again with PsYcH 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Yeah, official music video. That one is 10 minutes long. Yes, 10 minutes long. So we're not going to waste much time on the intro. We are going to jump in it. But as I'm telling you before, I'll be reacting to a lot of Devin the Dakta's song. I'm going to give you a refresh. I mean, just a little reminder of who Devin the Dakta is. All right? So I'm going to jump in the one and see what's going on. Let's go. Yeah, Devin the Dakta, PsYcH 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Music video. Let's go. Me tell me mother no worry. Yeah, boys, big up.
Me tell me mother no worry, she said that never in it. She never think it for a second, much less a minute. She said that fear they are yo, but you better bring it. She said that gate then I go, but you better kick it. Get them stress a wicked spinach, they just fit the pressure. Give me it special if it for the race when they must be think them a win it.
Devin. Fuck off, brother. Yeah. Fuck off, brother. Comment section, the people that tell me to react to this. Fuck off to no. Fuck off to no, brother. Come you know what?
Me tell me mother no worry, she said that never in it. She never think it for a second, much less a minute. She said that fear they are yo, weapon you better bring it. She said that gate then I go, but you better kick it. Get them stress a wicked spinach, they just fit the pressure. Give me it special if it for the race when they must be think them a win it. Never limit myself, never timid, yeah me never sick with ever rigid, never fidgety when them a left a critic. Especially with these lyrics, which is a hell of a gift. Study me you.
Usa 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Usa. Alright.
Shall if it for the race when they must be think them a win it. Never limit myself, never timid, yeah me never sick with ever rigid, never fidgety when them a left a critic. Especially with these lyrics, which is a hell of a gift. Study me you have a better chance to master metaphysics. Pre-Socratic.
That's right. He must say especially with them the lyrics there. If you study them, you're gonna have a chance to pass what?
Especially with these lyrics, which is a hell of a gift. Study me you have a better chance to master metaphysics.
For master metaphysics. Listen to me. When you try to study them lyrics here, you will never graduate. So I'm not going to try to study them a blood clot. Yes.
Pre-Socratic philosophers will not try get an image of me origin. Feel is try, but he never did it. Ignore me name and keep the fame, but give me every digit. Money can't buy happiness. Fuck you, me prefer to rich. What?
All right.
Ignore me name and keep the fame, but give me every digit. Money.
So I must say, ignore the fame and hold on. Yet.
Just me origin. Feel is try, but he never did it. Ignore me name and keep the fame, but give me every digit.
Ignore my name and keep the fame or give me every digit. Give me all that money. Yes. Me not care about the riches and the fame. The fame. Me not business about that. Just give me all that digits, all that money.
Me just me origin. Feel is try, but he never did it. Ignore my name and keep the fame, but give me every digit. Money can't buy happiness. Fuck you, me prefer for rich. What?
Money can't buy happiness. Fuck you, me prefer for rich. Yeah, me prefer for rich. Damn
Ignore
bro.
my name and keep the fame, but give me every digit. Money can't buy happiness. Fuck you, me prefer for rich. What is legacy if money not there for me kids? Where them a go pay the bills with daddy memories?
Bars. What is legacy? What is a legacy if money not there for the next generation to come? For him kids them. Yes. What is legacy without that? That more I know. Talk to me.
What is legacy if money not there for me kids? Where them a go pay the bills with daddy memories? Money can't buy love. Well, give me every bitches.
Where them a go pay the bills with daddy memories? Yo, I'm talking money for the youth them. Yeah.
Where them a go
generation
pay the bills
well.
with daddy memories? Money can't buy love. Well, give me every bitches. Me no want nobody love me. We cherish riches. Try to process.
Me no want nobody love me. Me cherish riches. Yes. So you don't have to love me. As long as me have my money, yeah, me good with that. Nyam shit a bush and die.
By love, well, give me every bitches. Me no want nobody love me. We cherish riches. Try to process this image. Use skimmage. Picture me how it is on me premises is.
What I know?
Money can't buy love. Well, give me every bitches. Me no want nobody love me. We cherish riches. Try to process this image. Use skimmage. Picture.
Try to process these image. Use skimmage. All right.
Me no want nobody love me. We cherish riches. Try to process this image. Use skimmage. Picture me how it is on me premises is.
Picture my house is and my premises is. Holy!
Try to process this image, image.
Pure
and my premises is. At least them never did I expect where them checks at me. I walk over, me a landmine for boom the correct so me start over. With the experience when me get you, this can't talk over.
Man say me a landmine for boom the crap there. You know say landmine the on the ground, a place a ground. If you step on it, boom. Man say me a landmine for boom the crap there. This them never want. Hey, what do you think? Me a walk over?
Walk over, me a landmine for boom the crap there. So me start over. With the experience when me get you, this can't talk over. Tell me enemies that them not get we know. And if it shoulda start, just daddy coulda calm it down. But him love the fucker like him son of him carry me go by the gun for shot.
Man say all if this shoulda start, not even daddy I go calm it down. Cause you know why? Him love the fucker just like him son. I him carry me go buy the gun. Yeah, I him carry me.
And if it shoulda start, just daddy coulda calm it down. But him love the fucker like him son. Him carry me go buy the gun to shot them and deprive them long of oxygen. But me mommy say shoot for the future. Them just fear where you might become.
Mommy say shoot for the future. So some mommy are the peacemaker. Mommy say don't worry about the haters. Them just shoot for the future. And you will get there.
Them and deprive them long of oxygen. But me mommy say shoot for the future. Them just fear where you might become. Cut and learn the business. Now me they up with a vengeance. Killing rhythm, give me sentence. Image vivid means Rembrandt. Listen me them timid Bruce Lee. I saw me pen but kick them with lyrics. The wall of them are retreat. Delete them entrance. See me really need repentance. Evil deed me med span. If me negatively charge a people feeding me electrons. Me no need them exam with them teaching. They even make sense. Sometimes me really free. Them even need to be in existence. Yo, feed them badness are acting. That a protein. Them I gonna need it when the milli 14 are broke one scene.
PsYcH.
Me no need them exam with them teaching they even make sense. Sometimes me really free them.
Me no need no exam. What am I teaching they even make sense? Me brain higher than that. Sky my alien.
Even need to be in existence. Yo, feed them badness are acting. That a protein. Them I gonna
for them badness that are act. For them badness are acting. That a protein. Them need it. Yeah, them need it. Yeah, all right.
Really free. Them even need to be in existence. Yo, feed them badness are acting. That a protein. Them I gonna need it when the milli 14 are broke one scene.
Them I gonna need the protein. Them I gonna need them badness. When time the milli 14 are broke bone.
Yo, feed them badness are acting. That a protein. Them I gonna need it when the milli 14 are broke one scene. Papi show them a walking dead when me burn him up. Nobody feels that can cool off with morphine.
A walking dead when burn the Mac. Burn the Mac. Get it? Walking dead. Burn. All right.
Papi show them a walking dead when me burn him up. Nobody feels that can cool off with morphine. Me sick, me cough up lyrics from the track. No drink no codeine, me don't lean. Tell the big body I'll live for rope in. Hey Jodine, me fee up your lock. Not the thing what keep the door in. Me F your 9 time back the fluorine. Music keep me soul clean. Whole chlorine, jacuzzi bromine. If you know me. All if you got 2 radii times pi, you can't see me circle and try 4 scene.
PsYcH. I reaction I go long enough cause me no want pull up everything in the book. Alright, me go try run it as much as me can without pulling up everything.
Me know me, all if you got 2 radii times pi, you can't see me circle and try 4 scene. I feel me place this them live, them a tenant. Time to get them out, me bring the repellent, them things them.
Fuck it, nothing pull up.
I feel me place this them live, them a tenant. Time to get them out, me bring the repellent.
I feel me place them live, them a tenant. Time to get them out, me bring the repellent. So I say them a insect, them a what roach, them a mosquito, them a whatever repellent can fuck up. Yeah, that them.
I feel me place this them live, them a tenant. Time to get them out, me bring the repellent. Them things say me pleasant, me kill the appellant. Me words final, me a king, them a peasants. Feel me style them sick, them aberrant. Lyrics are fire when me spit, never say blank. Bars lit incandescent, now quit incessant. Penalty score when me kick, wave the pennant. One bag of drugs like him uncle in last cheat. Them devil seat at the present. Make them go and wait till them get obsolete. Cause me still a got present when them obsolescent. Wait, pick up them gal in at the crescent. She want give me all of that, not the crescent. Wait,
pick up them gal in at the crescent.
She want give me all of that, not the crescent. Moon and star in my mouth, her breast went. That happened because our man have a red cent. Why? Him spend it out, friend it out. Huh? Gal it out, man it out. When them they get up.
Man it out and gal it out. Wait, no man.
Spend it out, friend it out. Huh? Gal it out, man it out. When them they get up and I said them a ram it out. See it that them fall off me up, them gal a ram it out. Now mess up the game, but me a puzzle them forensic. Oh, me so eccentric with me style, watch them a med zip. Pop off a tech 9, yeah me call people a call me Kendrick. When me pull up with the top dog, kamikaze them a dealt with. You think the pearl have a attack the deadly? Watch it how me knock with them favorite artists for century. All if me put me.
Man, so you take a pearl about the deadly, watch it how me knock. Watch it, me knock with them favorite artists for century for 100.
You think the pearl but attack the deadly. Watch it on me knock with them favorite artists for century. All if me put me faith in them class, them cannot test it. Me a the doctor, check them entrance so it come and them apprentice. Thirsty for success, me nah go stop all when me quench it. Bite me teeth, me fist, me clench it. Now go exit where the bench is. DEVIN, that's how you spell relentless. Could have 40 years, 40 decades, don't care how long.
One said Devin, that's how you spell relentless. So he's telling that he's relentless. Yes.
Sit where the bench is. DEVIN, that's how you spell relentless. Could have 40 years, 40 decades, don't care how long the length is. Excruciating pain in my brain, I make me head sick. Me head not stick, I chew me fence it. Cause me have a bag of thoughts, but just want left it. And me know a heap of people might against it. Like this white woman who want to put the thing where she put tell me to me pelvis. Me not go lie, me take a head miss. And when I done, undress the velvet. But me cannot put the crownish part of veil fit. Why? A black woman alone can be me empress. Yes, a black woman alone can bring me kids. A black woman me share my wealth with. Don't get me wrong, I'm not a racist. But if you insist, me left 2 babies and the braces. Anybody know like when me sing about the black?
Don't get me wrong, I'm not a racist. But if you insist, if you well want the hood, maybe you left 2 babies by your braces, girl. Yes, man, say my coming in your mouth.
Yes, a black woman alone can bring me kids. A black woman me share my wealth with. Don't get me wrong, I'm not a racist. But if you insist, me left 2 babies and the braces. Anybody know like when me sing about the black, yeah, you're no better than the backer. Them we pick way up a Accra. Suck your mother, me no matter.
Anybody know not like what the G just said a while ago? Yeah, only no better than the backer master. Them we pick way up a Accra. So suck no matter, yeah.
Sing about the black, yeah, you're no better than the backer. Them we pick way up a Accra. Suck your mother, me no matter. Rise the last year. Capture land, show them what the real chopper. You know I was just about to end that track, yeah, but me hear them chat and say them bad. Well, beat that one, yeah. Loop the beat, put 100 minutes on the clock, yeah. Original, no cover that, a back is stopper. Say them bad what? Must say them grammar. All if them was a nurse, them cannot go around the doctor. Them a pussy, plural for the octopus without the actor. Sling panda master. Nah, no cover that, a back is stopper. Say them bad what? Must say them grammar. All if them was a nurse, them cannot go around the doctor. Them a pussy. Bad what? Must say them grammar. All if them was a nurse, them cannot go around the doctor. Them a pussy, plural for the octopus without the actor.
Them a pussy, plural for the octopus without the... Pussies!
All if them was a nurse, them cannot go around the doctor. Them a pussy, plural for the octopus without the actor. Sling panda match across my back, fuck up my pastra. Release them up from the sling shot, them make them flatter. So we left parata.
Released it.
Across my back, fuck up my pastra. Release them up from the sling shot, them make them flatter.
Release the mark from the sling. Shot them with that slingshot. Get it? Mark from the sling. From the holster. Yeah. Poi. Yeah. Yeah. Slingshot. Get it?
Dakta. Sling panda match across my back. Fuck up my pastra. Release them up from the slingshot. Them make them flatter. So we left parata bush. My gata get a platter. Clap the Draco. Round of applause. Waka flaka. If I standard English, me better than every fucking rapper. Put my words together. Language arts cannot follow. Get a linguist fi come dissect the song. Make some other artists understand. And have to wonder. What do the long man ya? Words in my blood. Yes. Oxford and my brother.
Yo, get a linguist fi come dissect this. Cause me can't. Obviously, the reason why I make it run so much, and I gotta say enough I go over my head. No, it not go over my head. I make it run because my camera have to keep on pausing. Because if I was to do that, it's gonna be about 30 minutes long. I mean, I want it to long.
You know it's funny cause me never was a scholar in a school. All I wanna do was turn girl in a slobber. From me's a toddler, me a teacher, girl I feel like Janya. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 whenever want me know. She's a gobbler.
Man said from your toddler, me a teacher, girl want feel. Then he move on and say 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿 we never want him no. Hey, yeah, she's a gobbler. Wap 3,000. Wet.
From me's a toddler, me a teacher, girl I feel like Janya. 𝐑𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿 whenever want me know. She's a gobbler. A joke cute, tan in a school, where you a do. Me bright like a me a moon, we in a zone. Yeah, me up a barilla tune, a Lego soon. Come me high, a caterpillar room in a cocoon. Militant, platoon, me no baboon. Send me a lyrica bado, we no balloon. Done, so we go take a few from me plateau. Then, wet up our Africa, no, me never so. Kill the beat and still a fuck it. Necrophilia, me love it.
Man say kill the beat and still a fuck it. Yeah, him kill the beat already from about 3 minutes in the brother. But him still a fuck it, you know, 5 minutes with it now.
African know me never so. Kill the beat and still a fuck it. Necrophilia, me love it. Lyrics me a drop, me stand up at the summit, make it
Necrophilia, we love it.
Try to bite me style him choke and I try roll him gullet. One like them, no know how me is. Wait till they flood it. Fucking up the world, yeah, me coming with a comet. Yeah, them coming with them coming, so them stay dirty mullet. Me just a go and secure the bag, figure me son it. Then show me how to way, Warren Buffett budget, cannot budget. When me da run, I last them things to me that come, me inhale helium and float, but left them, yeah, me leave the ground with them rat race. Crab in a barrel, beat the drum, now me and Beetlejuice a par, yo, me even need the sun. Light up here and when the words leave them tongue, me no feel them energy, me feeling numb. All if I sink me deep beneath the lithosphere to the asthenosphere and pass the mantle to the core that cannot keep me down. Yo, you feel me done, you better grab a seat, sit down and watch how me the power in the beat so clean, I leave no crumbs. If me run out of words, best believe that me will hum. Stand still like a hummingbird and watch a king when me become, you're really dumb. If I really feel me, feed me long. With me before me do this, yo, me sober, deeper rum. Wow, 10 out of 10, I'm just a tennis Wimbledon. You're listening to the greatest thing that will be done. Meticulously rigorous and vigorously, yeah, then feel me boss, but mask it with the attitude we're frivolous. Me know how them know me serious. Consider laugh, but the jokes and you fucking ridiculous. But
sorry, we not laugh. Sorry.
Meticulously rigorous and vigorously, yeah, then feel me boss, but mask it with the attitude we're frivolous. Me know how them know me serious. Consider laugh, but the jokes and you fucking ridiculous. But what a ras when me find the gear and me become a free man. More power than Dyson sphere. No fret yourself, man, the time is near. Plus my brain is just an engine, yeah, well if I drive in there. What you mean? Them a fibrous, me a top root, well grounded, me no top shoot, where you feel like dress back youth. Me read the energy, me astute. Don't come near else, me kick in at your face with me jack boot. A man me burn you up with some hot soap. What's me name? No watch me nothing. Go and go watch Snoop. You chat too much, man. Pan everybody you want that scope. So man, they are gonna have your box food. You want? I'm on the the prefabs and Bloomberg. So me rap Walton and JP Morgan users. Walk up and
sick lad, man. I rap no local bank in the brother. Him not rap no local bank.
I'm on the prefabs and Bloomberg. So me rap Walton and JP Morgan users. Walk up and few girls used to call me a loser. Give them $1,000 each. Now them call me a new word.
What them call you? What the new word with them call you?
Walk up and few girls used to call me a loser. Give them $1,000 each. Now them call me a new word.
Yeah.
Rich. Yeah man, that's my new name. My new
rich blood $1,000 each now. A US dollar man talk about, you know, man talk about Jamaican dollar now. Yeah, walk up and two girls and give them $1,000 each. Now them call me rich.
Give them $1,000 each. Now them call me a new word. Rich. Yeah man, that's my new name. My new flame, yeah, dash out. Get some water and cool brain. I will claim them bad than me. Y'all like so lame, you lick head. You must say take a dive when full drain. Yo, make it the sickest thing, the bubonic plague. You're saying your pestis will make human afraid. Imagine that it's Spanish flu. Yeah, them shoot at that bait. Funny shoot. Hey, man, me make the rug of the wave. Not like what the fans do when me move on the stage. You look and me place in a mouth, make him choke on him feet. 115 grain blaze fire through in the face. Application approved. Welcome to the grave. Tell them, me not carry gun for show no guy. Me just make sure me buy a 45. Make sure my life is fortified. Yeah, the more them try, the more me eyes them open wide. Molding my intention for go show them off the open mind. The more deny me be the more the lies immortalize. Me neither confirm or deny. Me hold me soaring high. You know one morning I will hear them find him floating by the sea. Cool as ice. Yeah, me hope the sight is horrifying. All when me this struggle me still humble. Not like the flower from me umbilical card cut. Me know me must do. What? Something for change the world and that me keeping up to. But don't surprise.
Man say from the umbilical card cut, him knows him have to do something for change the world. Yeah, him know him have to be different.
Me umbilical card cut, me know me must do. What? Something for change the world and that me keeping up to. But don't surprise, I feel the rumble, then I see the crumble. So quick and devastating. Every seismograph when they breaking, mega shaking. Rip up the earth, I can look down and see the devil baking. Gonna find.
I say rip up the earth, you can look down and see the devil baking. Cause down there hot in or down there hell in, remember?
Seismograph when they breaking, mega shaking. Rip up the earth, I can look down and see the devil baking. Gonna find a new planet. One way to try stop me, yeah, me there waiting. That's impossible, take the K of a impossible name. Kalashnikov, make me show know what them a do brain. Dig past the frontal to your temporal lobe. Rip out your hippocampus, make sure say you no remember me name. Fire the K.
Wait, Devin. What the fuck you just say?
Impossible, take the K of a impossible name. Kalashnikov, make me show know what them a do brain. Dig past the frontal to your temporal lobe.
Temporal lobe. I Google that blood clot. I Google that. Temporal lobe. Eater. Temporal lobe. Blood clot part of brain. How the fuck you man talking? It is located inside the brain near the temples. Yo!
Name Kalashnikov. Make me show no what them a do brain. Dig past the frontal to your temporal lobe. Report your hippocampus. Make sure say you know.
Hippocampus. How you spell that? We had no money. We had no man. Zita. We can't spell it. Oh, no, man. I can't spell it out. I can't spell it. Big word. Oh! And the brain I get me blood clot. How come I see her? Yo, Devin.
Remember me name, fire the K9 time. 9 bind from the K-bite to K9 crime. Now your girl say me.
9 bind from the K-bite yo. K9 crime. Fire the K9 time. 9 bind from the K-bite yo. K9 crime.
Them a do brain, dig past the frontal to your temporal lobe. Report your hippocampus, make sure say you know remember me name. Fire the K9 time. 9 bind from the K-bite to K9 crime. Now your girl say me your Herman, that a space-time line. You're not gonna get it. You see that?
Wait now, oh, me go get that now. Wait now.
K-bite to K9 crime. Now your girl say me your Herman, that a space-time line. You're not.
Herman, get it? Yeah, I'm Herman. Me I got blood clot. Google the real meaning like though. Herman.
I go get it. Bind from the K-bite to K9 crime. Now your girl say me your Herman, that a space-time line. You're not.
Herman space timeline. All right. The concept of the space and the time are not separated, but from a unified four-dimensional. Yo, space time. Yo, Devin. Sorry, bro. I'm googling, bro. I'm fucking googling.
Bind from the K-bite to K9 crime. Now your girl say me your Herman, that a space-time line. You're not gonna get it. You see, you have a brain like mine. Yo, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Me way too advanced.
No, my brain like yours, but me Google it though. Move your blood clot. Can't style me. Can't style a style like Devin. Move your blood clot. Move.
Space-time line. You're not gonna get it. You see, you have a brain like mine. Yo, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿. Me way too advanced. Why you think about youth? Me not say me way too advanced. Why you think about shoes? Girl say me your Herman, that a space-time line. You're not gonna get it. You see, you have a brain like mine. Yo, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿. Me way too advanced. Why you think about youth? Me
way too advanced. What you think about youth? Me never say me way too. Listen what I'm saying.
You see, you have a brain like mine. Yo, 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿. Me way too advanced. Why you think about youth? Me not say me way too advanced. Why you think about shoes?
Me never say me way too advanced. What you think about shoes?
A wrong thing you pre-dog. Me I think about Jews. See, you know you gonna think about booze. Me I think about Jews. Real estate, I know them build those moves. You a think about YouTube while me a think about moon. Yes, you a think about views and me a think about views, but them are different dogs. Stick to your blues, you have a clue.
Yo, me can't pull it up enough.
Mindset, from your mindset, and about those moves. You a think about YouTube while me a think about moon. Yes, you a think about views and me a think about views, but them are different dogs. Stick to your blues, you have a clue. Mindset, from your mindset, and the goal you will find it. By the time check, make sure set the time set. Do it now when you never run out of life yet. If you're not busy, take a look at the sky then. You see the nice jet, you reach the height. Then you know it's can't run it off the blood clot fly wet. Blood fi full up your kerchief when the wipes wet. Try till you fuck up your triceps. Remember how you was styling. Fuck your gal on the tile then. Remind her how you buy them. If them broke up, you can buy them again. Yeah, man, of them life then. Jump on a plane and fly away. But it start from the mind then. So fix up your mindset. Me did a plan for chatter how me intel send not wait him say fi.
Bumbo clot. Me can't me wouldn't do that. Man say he made a plan for chat for your hour.
So fix up your mindset. Me did a plan for chatter how me intel send not wait him say fi. You no time to process this. Maybe a week.
Go no time for process this. Maybe a week, bro. About 2 months. About 2 months. Not gonna need to process that one, bro.
Me did a plan for chatter how me intel send not wait him say fi. You no time to process this. Maybe a week. Me fly past I-9 and no still the I3. Now me a iRobot. Now artists can be compared to me. Destined for greatness. Long before me parents are teen. Yeah. Long before Gabriel go tell Mary she a breed. And
long before Gabriel go tell Mary say she a breed. She preggers. Yeah. She get fucked right too.
son I go come change the world. Me no see, if we are be honest, humans all get worse to me. Yo, from the day when me become a reader, me pray that the poster boy in the church is not me leader. My girl call me a heathen and my sister call me idiot. But me
pray that the pastor boy the poster boy in the church is not me leader.
Understand still.
So no, not the pastor, sorry, the picture of Jesus, where the white Jesus, he must say, yo, him pray that say, yo, that is not for him leader long time. Him know that because him read. So the people that when I read and I follow tradition, I go say, yo, that person that were there on the Caucasian blue eye long hair, at that person that feed them God. They might say, yo, no, I might do that.
The boy in the church is not me leader. My girl call me. Yo, from the day when me become a reader, me pray that the poster boy in the church is not me leader. My girl call me a heathen and my sister call me idiot. But me understand still, it's just that everyone believe that.
My girl call me Eden. Eden as somebody who don't believe in a God, right? And then him say him sister call him idiot. How the blood clot. But him say him understand still because everybody is entitled to them one. You understand? Yeah.
Call me a heathen and my sister call me idiot. But me understand still, it's just that everyone believe that. I feed them religion are the best, feed them God are the one. But so much God and none of them can get rid of one demon. That raise the question, who are the real legion? Don't get me wrong, a higher power than the real man. So if me need help to the creator, me look. But the white man with them teach about me tear up a book.
PsYcH. Yo, sign me off right now. Sign me off. Oh my God. Yo. This is what I say to you guys. I'm gonna remind you guys of who Devin the Dakta really is, bro. See me. Yes. Remember, say we do things different over here, saying, bro. Remember, say we not follow others and create the same content. Remember, say we think outside the box, you know. You see me? Remember, say we start wave around here too, you know. You see me? So, this is what I'm doing over here. Me not care what nobody else I do. This is what me I do until other things that happen. We are gonna go and react to some Devin the Dakta. Wanna say? Yeah, man. That me I say, man. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section. Also, please don't remember to follow my second reaction channel. It's more Jamaica vs Gamer reacts. Yes, more JWG reacts. So, check it out. Link is in the bio, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Let me know what to do next. Peace.
Binds. I know sir, one nation I represent for Jamaica's worst game. Him a react, we a watch.